I will prove my worth to the Horde.
Today is not just a simple celebration and a common day of gathering, but this is a recollection of memories and celebration of treasury of life. And of course, please all rise. Offer a big hand to Riley Vincent Sales.
Happy birthday!
This is your birthday song. Saan galing yan, Mr. Bling Bling?
Sa palengke.
Sa palengke na.
Yung mami and daddy sa birthday.
Balloons are essential part of childhood because it brings joys and fulfillment.
Nasabi ko lang sa'yo, magpapakabait ka, tas makikinig ka lagi kay mami at daddy, ano? Tsaka sa amin lahat, sa mga matatanda sa'yo. Yun lang. Tapos, happy birthday!
Papakabait ka lagi, ha? Lagi magkaroon ng buti, ha? Happy birthday!
Riley, happy 7th birthday! Niyak ako.
Wala iyakan.
Wala iyakan.
Baby lang. Oh my God. Ikaw ang first baby ni Ninang.
Yan.
Sama ka ni Ninang. Bakit? Kakabait. Oh, kakabait ka lagi, ha? Tsaka, ikaw yung magiging role model ni Ching at tsaka yung magiging baby ni Ninang. Yun lang. So, tandaan mo lagi na love ka namin lahat. Okay? Love you, baby! Yahoo!
Picture mo na.
Vincent. Ang laki-laki mo na ngayon, ha? Sa akin lang, sana patuloy ang iyong mabuting health palagi. Huwag nang pupunta sa ospital, ha? Bawal. Laging happy. Happiness is health. Health is wealth.
Okay, ready. O, tingin dito, sandali. Sandali na. Isa pa.
Wala mabait kang bata. Anak, ha? Sana ipagpatuloy mo yan. Ha? Laging mamahalin ng mami at daddy. Magkaroon ng takot sa Diyos. Laging irirespeto, mamahalin. At ang mami at daddy ang importante. Ha? Like what Mama Nita always told you, be more independent now because you're already 7. Ha? Less use of gadgets. Okay? Ha? Less use of gadgets. Focus on your studies kasi studies ay mahalaga. Ha? I want you to finish your studies and have a good life ahead of you. Okay? Happy 7th birthday, mahal.
Makinig ka sa coordinator.
Always. Ha? At sana biyayaan ka na ni Lord ng maganang panlasa para naman tumaba na ang apo ko. Ha? Ha? okay? I love you, baby.
Thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the word means, what I've been dreaming of.
Bago ko magbigay ng message para kay Riley, gusto ko po munang magpasalamat sa inyong lahat, Ama. So, bago po yung message, meron kaming gift sa'yo na open mo.
And now I know there is nothing that I could not do.
Dear Riley, happy birthday because you have been a very good boy. We are going to happiest place on earth. Love, Daddy and Mommy. From Milan.
Happy birthday, Ana. Wala na akong sasabihin. Sobrang busog ka na sa pangaral ng Mama. I love you, Ana.
Alex, lapit-lapit ko.
Message na lang ako sa'yo kasi sabi na nila lahat. Ano na lang. Isipin mo na ikaw yung balloon. Lilipad ka sa taas. Bibitawan ka namin. So, learn by yourself. Must be humble and kind. Yun na lang. Always be humble and kind.
Ready? Dali, sandali, isa pa, isa pa.
Hear a knock on the door when the night begins. Ain't no spider, ain't no creeper, ain't no zombies coming in. Nobody. I've been at home, tell me where you been. I ain't going outside, I'ma stay with my friends. Sometimes we stay in, cause you know how I live. Yeah, you know what it is. Sometimes we stay, welcome. You wanna stay, cause you're looking outside, it's been raining all day. So that means that the skeletons wanna play. We can go outside if you want, but I think I'ma stay. Sometimes we stay in, cause you know how I live. Yeah, you know what it
Pray for your parents, be a good
Sometimes we
boy,
stay,
and always pray to God.
Mimi. Tapos yung nasa likod, dito. Okay. So watch. Everyone.
Welcome to my jump off the roof, a deck and splash. And they say good things never last. I got a mind that's so deep. It took a lot of time and most nights I don't sleep. Rather stick with a win. Cause these creepers are out here again, try and catch me off guard and kill me. And if you need a spot for the night, then feel free. Welcome to my mind. We ain't wasting no time. We ain't going outside. We ain't going outside.
Yan. Okay na, turo nyo lang yung kamag-anak nyo.
Ay, marami akong kamag-anak dito.
Sino?
Ayun, no? Tsaka ayun. Ayun.
Kamag-anak nyo o asawa nyo?
Ayos na nga. Kung tawagin yung asawa ko. Mukhang ikahiya dito.
May anak po kayo? May baby?
Meron.
Nasaan?
Nasa loob ng tiyan.
Sige, buntis pala si madam.
Unang-una!
Saan? Tingin ka sa taas.
Kay Lord! Wala!
Sino kamag-anak ko yung gusto mong tawagin dito?
Kaibigan ko! Kaibigan!
Sino dyan? Sino dyan?
Ayun!
Sino?
Si Angel! Angel!
Angel. Ayan, wala na.
Saglit na po lang! Kumagsa ko na maganda! Ang saya! Bakit ka ba pati yun? Smile! Smile ka ba?
Anong nangyari? Chinismis ko na, nakichismis din kayo. Pera! Huwag na tayo mag-networking! Eto, open-minded pa kayo. Ang malaki-laki yan, ha? Ang daming okay lang yan, marami kang prize. Tapos, kuha kayo na tigi-tigi sa prize. Ayan.
Say it's true. There's nothing like me and you. I'm not alone. Tell me you feel it too. And I would run away. I would run away. I would run away.
Once there are tales that are told, thought came to be. I'll find our tribe some gold so they'll be happy. Once I was thinking about gold. It was a poor, tough life, our hearts are getting weaker. Dreaming one day we get the riches and no more will suffer. For our meals we're eating seeds or drinking bitter liquor. Never rich and some just starve to keep this steady.
Salamat. Salamat din sa mami at daddy ni Vincent. At sana tuloy-tuloy ang magandang pagkabay tungo sa kanyang magandang kinabukasan, hinaharap kanya makarating sa kanyang magandang pagtutunguhan. Parang araw magiging isa kang better person.
Yeah.
Thank you. Happy birthday.
Ito bigay ko sa Blue Bills yan, ha? Happy birthday, anak. Happy birthday. Kailangan happy ka na. Birthday mo pa.
Riley, siguro hindi mo magigets yung i-advise ko sa'yo right now kasi pang matanda talaga siya. So hopefully, pagdating mo ng 18 years old, panoorin mo ulit ang video ni Mama. Kasi ang advice ko talaga is very, very helpful. Bale, unang-una, Riley, you can be anything and anyone in the whole world. You can be successful, but first, choose to be kind. Yun lang. And humble, sabi nga ni Tatay Alex.
Ninang Jenny Lu.
Ito yung message ng Ninang Jenny mo. Happy birthday, listen to Mommy and Daddy, and even to Daddy Groovy and Mamita. Always pray as well that Jesus will give you all that you pray for. Love you, inaanak, bawi si Ninang. God bless.
Ninang Shane Karingal, Ninang Nida Maikes, and Tito Kevin Michael Aguinaldo.
Dearest Riley, on your 7th birthday, I'm very delighted that I'm part of it. May this build help and serve its purpose for your future. My birthday wishes for you are happiness and healthy life. Always put God above all and continue to be a blessing to your parents and family. Happy birthday!
Riley, happy 7th birthday. Sana lumaki kang matalino, mas matalino pa, ano? Tapos maabot mo yung mga pangarap mo at maging masulo rin kay Mami at maging mabait. Happy birthday!
Hello, Riley. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Be a good boy lagi. Then, susunod lagi kay Mami, ha? Then, mag-aaral mabuti. Then, ask mo kay Daddy kung paano mo ito mapapalaki itong blue girls mo.
Happy birthday from Camilo. Thank you.
Happy picture mo muna.
Happy birthday, Riley. Wishing you all the best.
Symbolic gifts represent the conditional and fading support Riley gets from his family, relatives, and friends. So start off with Ninang Corazon Manggubat, Tita Flory Cuevas, Tita Josie Maikis, Tita Becca Hernandez, Tita Divine Balita, Tita Emma Hernandez, and Tita Aileen.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Be a good boy and healthy always. Sana magusto mo ang gift ng tita, ano?
Wow! Happy birthday, Riley!
Sana magustuhan mo gift ni Tita ha. Magagamit mo to pag pupunta ka ng Hong Kong.
Wish you good health always.
Happy birthday, Riley! Sana laging mabait ha, makikinig sa mami at daddy. Magpe-pray lagi ha.
And have a good health and happiness.
Kasi wala si Ate Karen. Happy birthday.
Birthday Bunso. God bless always.
Wish ko sa'yo, sana maging good boy always, laging susunod sa mami and daddy. And God bless always.
Happy birthday, my dear. Sana lahat ng wish nila para sa iyo maging granted kay Lord. Okay? Happy birthday.
Hi! Ikaw ay pinagpala dahil kasama mo iyong mapagmahal na magulang at iyong pamilya. Nawa ang supot na ito or ang bag na ito ay balang araw ay maalala mo na kahit gaano pang kabigat ang iyong dalhin sa buhay, ay ikaw ay aangat at aangat rin.
Seven wonders. We wish Riley a wonderful life ahead of him.
Copy-paste ko na lang yung katulad doon sa daddy mo. Yan lang.
Next, we have Ninang Eloisa Castillo.
Happy birthday, Vincent! Susunod ka lagi kay mami at daddy ha, at mag-aaral na mabuti.
In behalf of Tita Cathy, happy birthday daw sa iyo.
Happy birthday! Stay sweet, kind, and be a good boy always.
Hear a knock on the door when the night begins. Ain't no spider, ain't no...
Be a good boy kay mami at kay daddy. Tsaka, always be jolly. Okay? I love you!
Happy birthday, Riley boy. Sana maging healthy ka lagi.
Keep on studying hard. Alam ko naman na nag-study ka ng hard. Though, sometimes playful pa din, hindi naman natin maiwasan yun kasi nga, bata ka pa. Huwag mong kakalimutan yung lagi kong sinasabi sa iyo kapag nasa classroom. That's why you're here.
To read, to write, to reach your dreams.
Very good. Happy birthday, Riley.
Birthday! So, I want you to stay sweet and keep on loving your family. That's all.
Ma'am Maan Pegment.
Hi Riley, happy birthday. So stay sweet and loving. So sana laging masaya ka sa birthday party na in-organize ng iyong mommy and daddy. So God bless you Riley, happy birthday.
So they say that wisdom comes with age. So as you grow older, I know that you will be wiser. So my gift for you are source of wisdom.
Ninong Lois.
Tingala mo yung parents mo, then huwag kalilimutang mag-pray.
We have Inay Agripina.
Happy birthday, Vincent! Good luck and God bless you always.
Riley, happy birthday. Ito na ang gift sa'yo. Ang aking sasabihin hindi para kay Riley, para sa mga asawa ni Alex at saka si Queenie. Ang malaking regalo ngayong araw na ito ay si Riley. Regalo ng Diyos sa mga asawang sabihin natin na siya ay isang rason, isang dahilan para maging magtumibay ang kanilang pag-ibig.
Happy birthday! Sana magustuhan mo itong gift ko sa iyo. And always listen to your family. Love them, okay? Thank you!
Next will be teacher Christina Marie Perkins.
Happy birthday and sana lagi kang makikinig kay mommy and daddy kasi parati ka nilang gagabayan. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Riley. Alagaan lagi ang sarili kasi sabi nila, sakitin ka daw. So, you're getting older na, kaya dapat magiging independent na din kahit papano.
Angelica Aklan.
Riley, happy birthday. Sana lumaki kang mas mabait at may takot sa Diyos. Makikinig ka kay Mami at Daddy, ha?
You're acting so weak until I trained you. Can't even fight and that's the issue. Now it's okay.
We have 7 lollipops, starting with Carl.
Happy birthday, Riley. Be a good boy. Please study hard. Please pray for the Lord. Amen.
Happy 7th birthday, Riley. Be a good boy and always pray to God and listen to your parents.
Happy birthday, Riley. Be a good boy. Good health. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Riley. Now you're 7 na. Lagi makikinig ka na Mami, ha? And always eat your food. You know God will always be there to guide you. Happy birthday.
Happy 7th birthday, Riley. Always listen to your parents and study hard.
Happy birthday, Riley. Wish ko sa'yo always be a good boy. God bless. Happy birthday.
And last but not the least, we have Haven.
Hey, we tell our foes it was nice to meet them, but I guess we'll never see them again. We wish upon a star.
Next will be 7 chocolates.
Always pray to God and always be safe.
Happy birthday, Riley. God bless you all. From Ethan.
Happy birthday, Riley.
My birthday, Riley. Be a good boy.
Cause you're looking outside, it's been raining all day.
And last but not the least, we have from 7 Marvels, Mr. Edward.
But I think I'ma stay. Sometimes you stay in, cause you know how.
Happy birthday, Riley. So, God bless you more and more birthdays to come. So, stay awesome and stay pogi, kagaya ng daddy mo at ako.
Sabay-sabay sabihin natin, Happy birthday, Riley! 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, and to cap this off, I hope everyone really enjoyed this memorable occasion. This has been Mr. John saying goodbye and enjoy the rest of the night. Tutugtog daw po ulit si Mr. Jerry Sales.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, and picture!
lisanin, di ko magagawa.